So, how is it possible for our voice to heal us? One of the ways is that our brain and our body are really hardwired to readily accept and resonate with the vibrations of our own voices. Your body loves the sound of your voice. Also, our voices can not only elicit powerful physiological responses, but deep transformational emotional responses as well. Emotional memory isn't only stored in the brain from what they're finding out, but it's also stored in the cellular level in our physical bodies. You know how if you've heard the phrase, the issues are in the tissues? There was a 2015 study done at the University of California that showed that memory is actually stored, emotional energy memory, in the cell's nucleus and can be stimulated to be released by a reminder stimulus, and I believe that can absolutely be the sound of our own voice with our intention. Our cells also have little hair-like projections called cilia, and these are like little antennae that take in the sound like it's nourishment. Another interesting thing is that the voice is actually innervated or activated by the vagus nerve, which is our longest cranial nerve, and that controls our organ systems. So when you speak, sing, tone, chant, you literally are sending that message to that vagus nerve to stimulate the parasympathetic branch of your nervous system. And that's when we get into that rest and digest state, which tells our body that it's safe and you can be quiet and you can digest your food. So doesn't it make sense that making sound like something like humming or toning can have tangible calming effects by virtue of the stimulation of this very important nerve, which creates a restorative state? Also, humming, they have found, stimulates the release of nitric oxide in your nasopharynx of your nose. And nitric oxide is a very crucial molecule in our body that is present in many of our body's processes. Also, something else very interesting, it's known that the frequency of the human voice is about between 180 and 255 hertz. As I said before, when we make sound, we literally are bathing our bodies in these higher frequencies. And the out of tune frequencies in our body will entrain or sync up with the more dominant higher frequencies of our voice. There is so much new information and research coming out now about the vagus nerve and its important role that it plays in our health. And the impact that our voices have, not only on ourselves but others, is so much more important and profound than we know. Every word we speak carries the vibration of our sound as an instrument of communication and self-healing. You and your sound are one. It is conscious listening and attention without judgment to that beautiful gift of our sound, that gift that we all have been given. That is the key that can unlock the full complement of who we are.